My gosh.
Good morning. Merry Christmas Eve. Or is it Happy Christmas Eve?
Merry Christmas
Merry
Eve.
Christmas Eve.
Happy New Year. Merry Christmas.
Okay. So we are making breakfast.
We got to sleep in.
We did get to sleep in. Owen, our 4-month-old baby,
7:30.
let us sleep in. Yeah, we got a whole extra, I mean, really like an extra
An
hour.
hour and a half. He
Yeah.
usually wakes up at 6.
So he's playing on his playmat if you hear the little noises. But I'm also making corn pudding, which I'll show you how I do that. It's really easy, and I really like it. I think you really like it.
I do.
And then, like I said, we're also making breakfast. So we can have Christmas Eve breakfast because we won't be eating... Well, we'll probably have lunch.
We'll have finger foods during lunchtime. So we can have enough to get us through till dinner.
Although I'm sure we'll eat again before we go to your parents.
Maybe.
We'll eat something. I will eat something.
Fair enough.
But I'm going to show you how to make corn pudding. It's easy and good. Okay, so you had to ignore that this bowl's dirty and all that because I already made one. But I have to make 2. So, take a stick of butter and you melt it. I like to melt it with the kind of covering over it. Just so that way then if it splatters, less of it, in theory, splatters into the microwave. Very bright. Okay.
Sun got you.
It did. You'll also need some Jiffy corn muffin mix. So a whole box of this,
And a dog helper.
obviously.
There's the helper again. The flanks.
Okay. So then once it's mostly melted, that's really like soft, so it'll be okay. Just throw it in. Okay. Then we take our box of Jiffy mix. And then you need sour cream. You need about half a cup. I don't measure, ever. I have this Aldi brand one here, but it's not going to be enough, so I'm going to add a little bit of this other Daisy sour cream. And it'll all be fine.
There's yolks on his sweater.
Also, we have 4 dogs. This channel wouldn't know that. Then you need a can of cream corn and a can of regular corn. You don't drain the regular corn. You want all that liquid in.
We promise he's having fun.
He's very talkative.
Where it looks absolutely disgusting. But turns out amazing.
Then you just add 2 eggs. And then I just pour it into a greased dish. And then you'll just bake it at 350 for like 35-40 minutes, really until it's like kind of golden brown on the top. You can tell when it's done. So we're making our breakfast. We're fancy. Okay, this is Bruno, and that's Mocha. Now you've seen all of the dogs. We're having blueberry frozen waffles. We're having some microwaved bacon. And because I couldn't find hash browns, okay, I feel like I should say, we went to the store yesterday, like right after the big, like, winter advisory. It was freezing, and it's right before Christmas when we went. And so we got blueberry frozen waffles because it was that or like multigrain, and I was not doing multigrain. And honestly, the bacon was just easy. And then I couldn't find hash browns, so I got shoestring French fries. Okay? Okay, leave us alone. Hi, big boy.
Yeah. You wanna go look at your stocking on your first Christmas? Huh? Oh my goodness. Santa came. Milk carton, cookies ate, and filled up your stocking. Wow.
Wow.
The one with the O, that's yours.
Do you want to see it?
That's yours.
Do you
You
want
wanna
to see
open
it?
it up? You wanna see what Santa got you? Watch out, Miss Ma'am. Oh my goodness. Does this go with blue? Who is that?
Wow.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Wow, this is stimulating.
Oh my. Does this also go with blue? Who is this?
Wow. Is that periwinkle?
Are you gonna be Blue's Clues fan? Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh my.
Are you gonna be a Marvel fan like Daddy?
Iron Man.
This is Iron Man. So many toys. What else is in here?
Oh.
My. Uh-oh.
Oh wow.
Oh my goodness. Is this something for you? You can hang on to? Huh? Can you hang on to that? Well, here, let's get your fingers out.
Wow,
Looky
baby.
there.
Wow. Cool.
Uh-oh. I think there's one more thing. What is it? Oh my goodness. Oh. What
Wow.
is this? Look at that. Is it your very own remote that you can chew on?
So cool.
Look at you. That's
Wow.
everything in there.
Wow, puppy. Look at this.
Are those for you all?
Wow.
Look at that.
Okay, fine. Do you want to go first? Here, let me see what's in here.
Frank says for me?
Look at this. There's that. Do you want to see what else, Frankie? It's right here.
Whoa.
Wow. Okay, Missy, you want to go next?
Miss Ma'am says for me? You should have.
Missy. Okay, no go.
She's interested in that bone.
Look, you have your own go.
She says, I'm more interested in what is not mine.
Somebody take this one. Mocha, do you want it now? No?
Give it to Frankie
Okay.
before he breaks something.
Mocha, just grab it. All right, Boone.
Bruno.
Bruno. Wow, look at this. And then Boone. Oh my goodness, Bruno. Wow.
Is that for you, Bruno?
Take it this way. Okay.
Is that for you?
Genius. And then Coyote. These are yogis. Wow, treats.
Oh my goodness, did you get tweets? Did you get tweets?
Wow, more treats.
2 bags of tweets.
Frank.
Yodi doesn't have any teeth, so he doesn't get bones.
You ready, sweet boy?
He says, I am the sweet one. You twixed us.
Look at this. A book.
Is that a shiny book?
Is it a friend's book?
Is
Yeah.
that a shiny book? Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Is
Wow.
that for you? Okay, which one do you want to open first, huh? Which one? This one? Here you go, ready? You open it.
Mommy help. Frankie will help.
Open it.
Or Frankie.
Oh, touch the paper. Open it up. Pull. Pull.
Wow.
Oh my.
Let's see what it does. Oh. Oh my.
Instruments.
So cool, babe.
Is that all you?
Are you ready for your other present, big boy?
Oh my gosh.
Wow, it's bigger than you. Wow, wow, wow.
Give it to me.
There you go, you pull it.
Frankie. No. Pull it, big boy. Go. Ah. Here you go. You want the paper? What is it? Huh? What is this? We gotta flip it around so you can see.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
Is that a walker just for you?
Is that for you?
So cool, babe.
Has it got toys and everything on it?
So cool, honey. Wow.
Oh my.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh my. Here we go.
Are you ready?
Are these from Mommy, Daddy?
Here, let me start it. You pull.
What is it?
Oh my. It's books. You have Spider-Man and Lady and the Tramp.
Oh my goodness.
So cool, bud.
And you have paper.
paper. That's so exciting. Here, I'm gonna take this paper. We're gonna get new paper. New paper.
Says why? I wasn't done with that one. What's in
To
there?
Owen from Mommy and Daddy. Oh my.
What is it? Oh my
Wow.
goodness.
Stack empty. So cool.
It's
cool,
stuff you
so
can
cool.
bite on.
Ooh.
That's your favorite thing right now. Anything you can bite on.
Ready? One more.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
You go work out.
Wow. So cool.
There you
Things to
go,
hold
workout.
on to. Wow, wow, wow. Awesome.